Right now, I'm going to remind you about how to annotate for questions in social studies. If you find yourself stuck as you go through the reading, come back and re-watch this video. Remember that for Read to Learns in online social studies, each part of the reading will consist of 2 pages. On the first page, you will see the text like you see right here. And on the second page, you are going to see the questions that you need to answer. I would suggest taking a peek at the questions before you even start reading, so you know exactly what the information is that you are looking for. Today, many of these annotations have been done for you, so you can either use these to help you answer the questions, or you can pick a new color and make your own annotations. Let's see what this looks like as you are working. First, I need to know what I'm going to read for, so I'm going to check the second page for my question. I can see it says, what was the Han Dynasty like at the beginning? So I want to understand what the Han Dynasty was. I'm looking for a description of what it was like. And so as I'm reading, I can see it says, during the Han Dynasty in China, 206 BCE to 220 CE, a period of stability was established across China. So I hear in this reading that there was a lot of stability, that's a description of what it was like during the Han Dynasty. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this, and my favorite color is purple, so I'm going to highlight it in this nice purple color. Oh, that doesn't show up. Let's try again. What about a darker purple? Yeah, so I'm going to highlight it in that, and now I know that I'm going to come back to this question, and I already know the answer. I already know that the start of the Han Dynasty was a time of stability because I annotated for it right there.